Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening the clasp and inspecting the mechanism closely. Look for the broken pin, bent latch, or loose spring. Use the spring bar tool to lift any removable bars and a pin punch to test whether the hinge pin moves freely. Once done, separate any removable links and keep screws and pins in a tray so nothing gets lost. Make sure to note which side is hinged and which locks, because reassembly depends on that orientation. You now remove the damaged part. Use the pin punch to push the hinge pin out, supporting the bracelet on a block so it does not flex. If a spring or pin is worn, swap in a matching diameter replacement. This preserves tension and alignment. For a bent link, carefully realign with needle nose pliers and file any burrs that prevent smooth closure. Once the parts are aligned, test the hinge travel before reassembly, because proper movement prevents repeat failure. You finish by reinstalling the pin or spring, positioning the clasp halves, and tapping the pin gently until it sits flush and cannot back out. Once assembled, cycle the clasp 10 to 15 times to seat the parts and confirm a secure lock and smooth action. If the clasp still slips, make sure the spring tension is correct and the locking plate is not worn. If misalignment persists or metal is deformed, stop and consult a watchmaker to avoid further damage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.